Goodbye M7, hello XM8. Welcome back to the channel, guys. You're watching Everything Weapons. Today we're going to be reading from the firearmblog.com, so all credit to them. Check them out. So we've been following the U.S. Army's Next Generation Squad Weapons program, and from the beginning we've recently seen that the U.S. Army had received the first batch of the new and improved version of the NGSW rifle, the XM8, and the XM8 carbine is a shorter and lighter variant of the M7 rifle, and it looks set to supplement the longer weapon. Now, the Pentagon's fiscal year 2027 budget request booklet outlines continued investment in the Generation Squad weapons program, but previously planned procurement of more M7s will now be replaced by the XM8. The U.S. Army hasn't procured any M7 rifles in federal fiscal year 2026, which began on the 1st of October 2025 last year. The Department of War's budget program acquisition cost by weapon system booklet explains, quote, the Next Generation Squad Weapon, or NGSW for short, program is procuring and fielding the M7 rifle, XM8 carbine, M250 automatic rifle, and an advanced fire control system with 6.8 millimeter family of ammunition, general purpose, special purpose, reduced range, tracers, markings, blank, and drill dummy inert, explaining that the whole point of the program is to field 6.8 millimeters rifle carbines and automatic rifle systems capable of defeating emerging protected and unprotected threats. The NGSW, or Next Generation Squad Weapon, aims to improve engagement time, maximize maximum effective range, accuracy, and target effects. The new edition of the XM8 means that funds for the NGSW program will now see just short of 15,000 XM8s procured instead of the M7. So in fiscal year 2027, next year, the U.S. Army plans to procure 14,944, almost 15,000. I really don't get why they don't just like round up. Like, it's so annoying. I really don't understand it. If anyone knows this, just comment down below. But like, it's like, why can't they just procure 15,000, 15K? Wouldn't that be easier than 14,944? Like, such a random number. Who knows? Whatever. So almost 15,000 XM8s are being procured, along with 2,795, almost 3,000 M250s, and a little over 20,402 M157 or M157 advanced fire control systems. It is understood that future production for NGSWR will be switched over to the XM8, and the Army states that the XM8 is approximately 3.5 inches shorter and overall a pound lighter than the M7. The XM8 features a slimmer barrel, a shorter suppressor, and new 25-round magazine. The XM8 also has improved handguard rigidity and a fixed rather than folding stock. So yeah, Sig Sauer have asserted that the velocity loss between the 13-inch M7 and 10.4-inch XM8 barrels is minimal, around 100 to 200 FPS, with the XM8 maintaining muzzle velocities around 2,900 feet per second. While this represents a decrease in velocity, it apparently remains in excess of the U.S. Army's ballistic and armor penetration requirements. Parts of the XM8 production line were featured in a recent video posted by Sig Sauer. Some of the shots some of the shots feature weapons which are already marked M8 carbine, cal 6.8 millimeter, which suggests U.S. Army type classification is expected soon, and a name change, if you will. What the role of the M7s already in service will be in the future is unclear, and we just don't know. Perhaps they'll be shifted to Army National Guard units or move to a DMR role. Perhaps XM8 uppers will be ordered for the in-service M7s to create a hybrid carbine, or perhaps the M7s will continue to be integrated into the infantry squad alongside the new carbine. If you guys enjoyed watching and learned something, please type a comment down below of what you thought and what you think about the M7 and the XM8. Again, all credit to the firearmblog.com. Amazing website. Go check them out and smash the like button if you found this video useful. Make sure you subscribe. Most viewers aren't subscribed, and that makes me sad. You want to make me happy. It takes 1 second. I put my heart and soul, all of my effort and lifeline into this channel, so I appreciate it. And make sure you ring the bell. That way you don't miss any videos I post in the future, because if you turn on all post notifications, you receive a text every time I upload a new video, so you do not miss out on any firearm war updates and news. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Take care.